stress relief, hypnosis, meditation, brainwave synchronization. Different tones with a constant amplitude are played to the right and left ears. They are sounds that differ slightly in frequency. We just perceive the resulting third frequency in the middle of our head as a gentle, pleasant, and very calming sensation. The method is based on the basic research of the German physicist Heinrich Wilhelm Dove. He found that sounds can bring our brain waves into a deeply relaxed state. Many people find the effect so pleasant that they fall asleep during the session. Others experience lucid images, as this level correlates closely with REM sleep, an EEG detectable brainwave curve that occurs in a state of deep relaxation and hypnosis. With this premium audiobook, you will experience a total of 6 soundscapes of different lengths. They function in the frequency ranges delta 0.5 to 3 Hz, theta 4 to 7 Hz, and alpha 8 to 13 Hz. These frequency ranges are associated with relaxation and contemplation. Research shows that they can be very helpful for relaxing, meditating, or falling asleep. Just find the most effective pieces for you while listening. Usually, after just a few seconds, you will notice which soundscape has the best effect for your well-being at any given moment. Important note: laptop speakers are usually too small to transmit the full and excellent sound spectrum in this audiobook. We therefore recommend that you definitely use good headphones for best results. This way, you will be able to fully enjoy the intended effect of the gentle soundscapes.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?